Hi, I'm Carissa Workman, the City of Santee's Fire Marshal. September is National Preparedness Month. While the warmer months of the year signal a time when we can indulge in vacations, beach days, and outdoor activities, local officials and first responders cannot reach everyone immediately, so it's important to be prepared ahead of these disasters. Most disasters are natural disasters that result of some force of nature, such as wildfires. Some natural disasters can be predicted, while others, like earthquakes, happen with little or no warning. A disaster plan will help with safety, security, and comfort. Regardless of the type of disaster, there are things you can do to prepare. Discuss what to do in an evacuation with your family, and don't forget to include the needs of those with disabilities. When told by officials, go immediately to a shelter as instructed or to a home of a friend or relative who lives out of the area. Find out about your local shelters beforehand. Know evacuation routes. Pre-establish several different routes in case certain roads are blocked or closed. Family members can become separated during an emergency. Establish an out-of-area contact who can coordinate family members' locations and information should you become separated. Quiz children every 6 months so they remember what to do, where to go, and whom to call in an emergency. Have children create their personal pack. Some items to consider: change of clothes, blanket, books, favorite toy, paper, pencils, and crayons. These familiar things will help keep them comfortable during an emergency. Decide how to take care of pets. Pets are not allowed in places where food is served, so you will need to have a place to take your pets if you have to go to a shelter. Post emergency phone numbers, for example, fire, police, ambulance, etc., by the phone. Subscribe to local emergency alerts. Disasters can happen anywhere, at any time. By taking the time to create an emergency supply kit, your family will be prepared in the event of a disaster. The supplies can be kept in a plastic tub, small suitcase, backpack, or other container. To learn what else you need in an emergency supplies kit, go to www.ready.gov. We're all in this together to help keep you, your family, and the community safe.